All right, today we're going to talk about how to graph from tables. You might get problems or you might get information that comes in the form of tables. For example, in this problem, you have time and distance are your two factors that you're comparing. You'll notice that time is red, so it's on the x-axis and it comes first. And then you have distance, which is its correlated factor, which goes on the y-axis. So for example, if the table tells you that at 1 second, a train traveled 2 feet. So it started at, some point, and then in under a second, it went 2 feet. The way we would represent this on a coordinate plane is the first column is your x value, so that's 1, and your second column is your y values, which in this case is 2. So you would place a point at 1, 2. So if I was on my number line, I would say x is 1, so here's 1, and y is positive 2. So we go up 1, 2, and that places the first point right there. I'm going to make that first point green. All right, let's say in 2 seconds, I'm going to abbreviate it. The train's going the same rate, right? So it's going now 4 feet. And if we represented that as, excuse me, had to sneeze. If we represent that as an ordered pair, it would be the first value in the table, which is 2, followed by the second value, which is the y, 4. And our point would be 2, 4. So we would go over from the origin 2 spaces, 1, 2, and we would go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's where our second point, which is green, will be. And of course, if you had the third option, if it was 3 seconds, you would have the same rate. It went 6 feet in 3 seconds. The ordered pair is 3, 6. And to plot that, we would say it's at 3, up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is our third point right there. So it's pretty easy to read tables and graphs. All you do is you say, okay, what's the first value, or the first column? The first column is going to be your x values. Your second column is going to be the y values. And then your ordered pairs are your x, y's. The first value and the second value with the comma, and then you start plotting them, and that's it. Pretty simple. Now, what's in each column might change. It might be days versus how much money you get paid per day. It could be hours and how many feet you went. It really doesn't matter what it is, but the same procedure will exist. It's the first column, then the second column, your ordered pairs, and then you plot. And that's it.